Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Learn Computer Science with Manik Sharma. Today I am going to share the fact regarding one of the interesting aspect of the select statement, that is order by clause. Order by clause is used with select statement. I have already made a video on select statement. If you are not well comfortable in the select statement, then please see that video first. The link of the same has been mentioned in the description section of this video. Additionally, for better understanding of order by clause, the practical implementation of this clause in Oracle has been discussed at the end of this video. Now let's understand what is order by clause. The key objective of this clause is to sort the data either in ascending or in descending order. Two keywords ASC and DESC are used to sort the data in ascending and in descending order respectively. The general syntax for the order by clause is select columns from table name, order by col, ASC or DESC semicolon. Here col is the name of the column on the basis of which the sorting has to be done. Instead of writing the name of the column, we can also mention the position of the column in the table. To understand the working of this clause, let's consider one of the standard table well known as EMP table. In this session, two different cases, one for ascending and other for descending, has been taken. Case 1. How to sort the EMP table data in descending order of cell. For this, we need to write the query as select star from EMP, order by cell, DESC semicolon. It will sort the data in descending order of salary. That means the highest salary will be shown first and the lowest salary will be on the bottom of the table. You may verify the same from your screen. Case 2. How to sort the EMP table data in ascending order of salary. For this, we need to write and execute the query, that is select star from EMP, order by cell, ASC semicolon. It need to be noted that ASC is optional keyword. You may omit this keyword if you are sorting the data in ascending order. From the screen, you may observe that the data has been sorted in ascending order of salary. Let's see how the order by clause is actually implemented in Oracle. As we know that order by clause is used to sort the data either in ascending or in descending order. For this practical session, let's once again consider one of the standard Oracle table, that is EMP table. Now suppose we want to sort the data of EMP table in descending order of salary. For this, we need to write a query like select star from EMP, order by cell, DESC stands for descending. We need to put the semicolon at the end of a query. So now from the output, it is clear that the data of EMP table has been sorted in descending order of salary. Similarly, if you want to sort the data of EMP table in ascending order of salary, so for this we need to write a query like select star from EMP, order by cell, ASC. As mentioned earlier, ASC stands for ascending and this is the optional keyword. We can also omit the same. So let's execute the query. Now from this output, one can verify that the data of EMP table has been sorted in the ascending order of salary. So we can also execute a query like this, select star from EMP, order by cell, without using ASC keyword. So you can verify that the same output has been generated. Now instead of writing the name of the column, we can also mention the position of the column for sorting. For example, if we want to arrange the data in descending order of salary, so we can also write a query like select star from EMP, order by. Now rather than name, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Sal is at 6th position. So order by 6 DESC. So now you can verify that the data of EMP table has been sorted in descending order of salary. Likewise, if we write a query, select star from EMP, order by 2, semicolon. Now what will be the output of this query? It will sort the data in ascending order of ename. So the same can be verified from the table's output. For more updates and technical insight of computer science, please subscribe this channel.